Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of GuitarTuna app. You click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about GuitarTuna and you'll enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here in this page you can click on clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can search about GuitarTuna and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.